What's up, squad? Back in the Tenryu here. We'll see how this goes. It's been a minute. I love the Tenryu, at least the last time. I should probably look up this is how you say it. Let me pull up Google Translate real quick. I know people get real upset, maybe not in the Warships community about pronunciations, but in other communities, they sure don't like mispronunciations. Let's see. Tenryu.
Tenryu,
Tenryu.
Tenryu,
Tenryu.
Tenryu, Tenryu, Tenryu.
Tenryu. The Tenryu. We're in the Tenryu. Sorry, I hope that didn't come off as racist. I would hate for that. I got torps. What are my torps range? Probably like 7? Yeah. I don't know. I always do this. I do the same thing on console all the time. I actually don't even play this that much, TBH. Like, I literally don't play outside of what I upload. Just because I'm bad with time management recently, but it always makes me laugh that I'll just guess the ranges and act like I don't know, and then usually it's correct. Not to brag. This is not me flexing that I know shit or something. I just think it's funny. I don't know if those torps are gonna get close. What is up with all the Spanish ships in low tiers, though? Quite interesting. Jeez, how slow are these torps? Are they close? Are they close? I can't even tell from this angle. Wow. Good captainship, honestly. Come on. Oh, my teammate's about to block all my potential torps. Alright, whatever. I guess it's me versus these guys. I guess they're rolling out. What do we got here? Just me or the superstructure seems super high on these cruisers. Bang. That'll do. That will do. Are those gonna hit too? Oh, that will do. Yes, sir. Let's get a fire set now. Probably to repair flooding. If we get a fire set, it's gonna burn. Come on. Give me a fire. Give me a fire. There we go. All you gotta do is ask sometimes, guys. In life, the biggest hurdle is giving yourself permission to have. Once you give yourself permission to have, you can have, and you will have. Bang. Burn, bitch. Burn, bitch. Damn, I love the Tenryu. I love the Tenryu. Come on. Where are my torps? They're not even close, are they? I'm not like too surprised by that. We'll take that, boys. Easy dub. This is what we do out here. I think it's all AI. We got a couple users. 1v1 maybe is all it was. Oh, you little bastard. Oh, we need to get over here. Angle more. Skirt, skirt. Come on. I really wish I could just stream, but fortunately, YouTube has restrictions until you get to a certain level. What is Buddy doing? He's about to get torped, hella torped. Oh, this guy's like picking up speed, yeah? Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Where's old buddy coming over here? Come on. Bang. Bang. And this is what we do. Just in the game. It's over. It's over. Finay. Sorry, lads. I was laughing at the text message. Oh, so this game's like over. I wish there was like a way. I'm so sorry you have to... These couple viewers... You have to see this boringness and I kind of lose interest. And there's like nothing going on here at the end. I wish the game would just end. Come on. Alright, I guess we'll head towards him. Oh, you shooting at me? You shooting at me? Wait, why is it auto steering me straight in? What is going on? It literally, I was trying to turn. I took my hands off the keyboard, but it literally just started to auto turn me into it. Why was it turning me left? That's crazy, no? I was an actual user. It makes sense why I got a decent hit on me. Oh, damn. City with the HE? There we go. There we go. Easy dubs, lads. Easy fucking dubs. Alright, we're going to finish this coffee. We're going to go hit the gym. If you haven't hit the gym today, go hit the fucking gym. It'll make you feel so much better. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day or night. I love each and every one of you.